More than 6 million Americans are living with Alzheimer's, and it's predicted by 2050 those numbers will swell to 12.7 million unless there's a breakthrough to prevent or cure it. For decades, scientists have believed that Alzheimer's is caused by the protein A-beta 42 that causes a buildup of amyloids that are toxic to the brain. But now scientists at the Karolinska Institute in Sweden and the University of Cincinnati say new research casts doubt on that theory.
In fact, by the age of 85, 60% of us have amyloids in our brains, and only 10% of us develop dementia. So there is a 5-fold lower prevalence of dementia than would have been predicted if amyloid were toxic.
The researchers say instead of reducing or removing the plaques, treatment might involve increasing the levels of a soluble brain peptide called amyloid beta peptide. The researchers tested the theory by analyzing the brain scans of 600 people, all of whom had amyloid in the brain. Those who had normal cognition had higher levels of the amyloid beta protein than those who had dementia.
The replacement strategies of this protein that we're losing may be the most important strategy in the future.
Continuing to research new treatment options for older Americans impacted by Alzheimer's. I'm Marty Salt reporting.